ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕೋಲಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಒಂದು ಈ ಥರಿನ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಗೋ. Carried water bottle also for Ira and Ahan. This is Ira's bag. Now I am taking it. ಈಗ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. Yes, now I am taking house keys. ಈಗ ಇದು house keys ನಂದು. Yes, come on. Now closing the main door. Pulling the door handle. ಈಗ ಇದು ಡೋರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Yes. Yes. Now I am locking my door with the key. ನಾನು ಡೋರನ್ನ ಕೀ ಇಂದ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. Now I am closing the all drop tightly. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು all drop ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, now I am making sure it should not open. Now I am moving away from door. ಇವಾಗ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್. Now I am putting on my slippers. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಸ್. Now I am moving towards car. See, my husband is waiting. Yes, now the car is ready. Now we are about to leave to Kolar. ಕೋಲಾರಿಗೆ ಹೊರಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. I opened the car door. Now I am keeping all my luggage on car seat. I am closing the door. Now I am going the other side of the car. I am opening the door. See, my little baby is sitting in car. Now I am also going to sit inside the car. Now I am getting in. Is it? Yes. Now I am closing the door. Yes, the door is tightly closed. So this is my dear Ahan. Ahan, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Why are you crying? What happened? ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Okay. No, don't touch it. That is Papa's. So, yes, we had started towards Kola. Ira? Ira, say hi. Say hi. Yes, see. No, he's not saying hi. Okay, it's fine. Yes. So, let's start our journey. Now we had started our journey towards Kolar. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೋಲಾರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Yes. See, this is our layout actually. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ layout. This is our layout. So many coconut trees are there. ತುಂಬ coconut trees ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡಿ. So many coconut trees. See the pink color flower. ನೋಡಿ, pink color flower. See here. It is beautiful, right? ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? It is beautiful, right? Yes. See? Now we are moving towards Kolar. Here see, one house they are constructing. Construction is going on. So what is the difference between constructing and construction? Do you know? Yes, construction is noun, constructing is verb. How we will say? Construction work is going on. Construction here is noun. They are constructing a building. Constructing here is the verb. I hope it is clear. Yes, let's go. Now we are going outside the gate. The gate color is black. Yes. Now we just came outside the gate. See? There are more houses around our layout. This is an industrial area. Idu namma industrial area. Yava manegulu suttlu illa. So how we tell it? There are no houses around our layout. Only it is an industrial layout. Why I use an ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? Because I ಇದೆ. I is an oval, right? Yes. Now the houses exactly started. ಇವಾಗಿಂದ ಮನೆಗಳು ಶುರುವಾದವು. Now we are on the main lane. ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇನ್ ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. See, they are banana trees. ಅವು banana treesಗಳು. They are banana trees. Yes. This is the main road. Yes. Yeah. We had connected to the main road now. ಈಗ ನಾವು main ರೋಡಿಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. Yes. That is the hotel. That is the hotel. Why that ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Because that is far. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ that is a hotel here. That is an automobile industry. The name is Shivam Automobile. In that industry, industry they will manufacture automobile parts. See what my little girl is doing. She is holding the ball in the hand. Ira, see here. Give the ball. No? Give. See, my dear son is peeping out from the window. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿಟಕಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಪೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಮೈ ಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. ಅವನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಜಾರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. See, now we are in the main city. Not Kolar, but this is the main city of our area. ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ಸಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಏರಿಯಾದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೋಡ್. ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಎರಡು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಫಿಶ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, chicken market, everything is there. Now we are out of the main city. But there are. This is lake near Vemgal. It comes between Kolar and Vemgal. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕೋಲಾರ ಮತ್ತು ವೇಮ್ಗಲ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ರೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೋಲಾರ್. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, it's little bit far but not so far. It's only 15 minutes journey. We are now, I think we reached Kolar. Haida, what are you doing? Huh? Sleeping? Why? What are you doing? Sleeping? Hi, say hi. Say hi. Or is fine. Put on the specs. See, we reached Kolar. Don't keep it in mouth. Put on the specs. Sir, see here. Wow. See here. Wow. I think it is a sarcastic. He is smiling with a heavy heart. He didn't want to smile. Still he is smiling. He is giving you a not smile. All the I wish. Ira, we are at the junction now. Junction means 2 or 3 roads joined together is a junction. It is a circle. We call it as in normal days. So we reached Kolar. I think we are going to hotel. I am very hungry now. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬ ಹಶ್ವಾಗಿದೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ. We are going to our local it's usual hotel ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅದೇ where we used to go often. We go to that hotel, vegetarian hotel. I'm very like quite. So you saw start shifting from mirror. My hairs are flying. Here the weather is little bit hot. Hot weather, hot. See, that is Reliance Smart of Kolar. I think now we reached to the hotel. Now you are going to get talifiದ್ವಿ. My husband is parking the car in front of the hotel. ಹೋಟ್ಲಿನ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರನ್ನು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. So yes, we reached the hotel. Now we are getting out. Ira is ready to go out. Ahan just opened the door. Get down. Idi. I am just. Yes, my husband came out of the car and now I am just closing the window. Window na close ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Now I am. Oh, sorry. I have to open the lock from outside before I can. Yes. It is not opening. Yes. Now I close the window. The window is closed. Yes. Now I am getting out of the car. It's fine. Now I am closing the door and I am walking towards the hotel. See the Ira is dancing on the table. I am pulling out the chair. Yes. Now I am also going to sit up. Even she is ready to pull out everything. Ira, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say this is table. This is table. This is hotel. This is your hand. This is chair. This is chair. This is. What is this? Specs. What is this? Who's spectacles? This. Papa specs. Papa specs. Ira, whose ball is that? Give. You not give. You not give the ball. Hey. Don't bang on table. Table, give her the ball. Don't do like that. Specs will get scratched. Scratch. Scratch will come on specs. What is that? What is that? AC. What is that? What is this? What is that? See, what is that? What is that? AC. What is that? What is that? What? That one. Not in that hand. That is fan. You not eat the biscuits? Biscuits. You not eat the biscuits. Give me one. One marigold biscuit. One marigold biscuit. How many marigold biscuits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marigold biscuits. Not 10, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Room service is there. Sorry. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. We are going downstairs. Okay. Yes, we are sitting in the normal table. My husband always take this puri, masala dosa, idli vada, and then kesari bath. It is his favorite dishes. See, every time the same. See, idli vada clean. Always behind. Vada. Eat vada first. Take a bite. Chutney here. Chutney is here. I will take this. Eat the first. Eat this.
I want to shut up like that. I mean, you know, that'd be great.
Oh, me. Well, that happens to see it. Nobody
Push down if the video was oh gosh, like me.
You don't want this one? You don't want?
I'm all willing to let you get a big topical loss. Yeah, and up the eye, out there, if you return.
Delicious. Delicious. ನನಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಸೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಫುಡ್ಡಿ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಫುಡ್ಡಿ. Whenever I go to hotel, I used to eat masala dosa. Masala dosa is very tasty, alva. Adike every time I used to eat the masala dosa. Even my child also like masala dosa and puri. Puri is my favorite because I don't prepare usually puri in my home. Maneli puri prepare ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So that's why I don't prepare puri. Okay, yes, my husband, my children are also eating, and I also eating masala dosa. It was very delicious and tasty. And my dear son had taken all my puris. I didn't have one also. ನಾನು ಒಂದು ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲ. And I am not drinking the tea. Tea ಕುಡಿತಾ what happened is ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ tea it fallen down on my dupatta veil. Okay, so I think it is white also. The dupatta color is white. That's why it was very bad. So that's why I washed the veil and now it is okay. The whatever the spot went off. Now I am all finished with the breakfast. So now I think I am going to the ether for the test drive. I had taken a bottle.
Okay.
ತುಂಬ ಹೆವಿ ಊಟ ಆಯಿತು, ನನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಫುಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಥ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ child. And now I am closing the door and I am opening the window, and now I am moving towards the Ather Center. That is the clock tower of Kolar. Okay, now we are about to reach Ather Center, test drive center. My husband is taking the U-turn and he is slowly parking the car beside the Ather Center, so there should not be any traffic issues. Okay, yes, now we are getting down to the Ather Center. Yes, we are now reached to Ather Center. Recently join ಆಗಿರೋದಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸರ್. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿ ಸೇರಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವ. 600 ಸ್ಟೇಪ್. ಯಾವುದು ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಲರ್? Ingo state where lunar. I did it. So it recently opened. ಇದು ಬೇಕಂತಾನೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದಾ ನೀವು? ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಇದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಡಿಲಿವರಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಯಾರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಹಂಗನಿಸು ಮನೆ ರೀತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಇನ್ನು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಪ್ರೋ ಆಫರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೇ ಅದೇ ಹಾಂ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕಪರಿಸಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಟನ್, ರಿವರ್ಸ್, ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೋಡ್, ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ ಆಫ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಎಸ್. 450H ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಕು 3.7 kW. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಲೈಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ಜಾಯ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್ ಆನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಕೀ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್.
ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ. ಇದು ಏನು ಲೈಟ್ ಇರೋದಾ ಇದು?
ಹೌದು.
ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೋಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸೇಮ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡೆಡ್ ಮೋಟರ್.
ಹಾಂ
ಬೇರೆ ವೆಹಿಕಲಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಲಾ ಅದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ ಮೋಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಮೋಟರು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವೀಲು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ
ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆದರೆ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜು ಮೋಟರ್ ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ
ಇದು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಓಕೆ
ಇದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಂಕಲ್
ಹಾಂ 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 3 ಬೆಡ್ಸ್
ಒಂದು ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ವೀಲು
ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ವೀಲ್
ವೀಲ್ ಟು ಪುಲ್ಲಿ
ವೀಲ್ ಟು ಪುಲ್ಲಿ
ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಮೋಟರ್
ಪುಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಮೋಟರ್ 3 ಬೆಡ್ಸ್ ಶೇಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಥರ್ ಎಸ್ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅದು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ ನೌ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. ಡೂ ಎ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್. ಈಗ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆದರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್. ಆದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ಸ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ. ಎಸ್ ಶೀ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಇಟ್. ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮೂತ್. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಇವಾಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಸಿ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್. ಎಸ್ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಗೋ. 1 2 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ come on. Yes, I am going. Okay, I think the space is very less there. ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸು, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆದರಿಕೆನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟು ಡು. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮೂತಾಗಿ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಗೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜೇ ಕಾಣ್ತು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ ಅವತ್ತು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಸಿ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಟರ್ನ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ it reverse. Yes, I took almost. Yes, now I am just turning the handle turn ಮಾಡಿದೆ. yes I am managing, but it is little bit hard. Almost since from so many years I didn't drive. ನಾನು ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, that's why it's little bit going slow. Yes, now I had almost turned it. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, now I successfully completed my test drive inside the driving center. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ. Yes, I am happy. Now my husband is doing the test drive with my 2 beautiful children. He is just making sure whether that scooty is comfortable for all our family or not. So Ira's is first scooty ride since from 2 years after she born. She never been in scooty. Okay, see how comfortably she is standing in front of scooty. Scooty ಮುಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ನೋಡಿ. Now my little boy is also climbing on scooty and he is sitting behind his father. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಅವರ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಈಗ ಹತ್ತಿ. Now my husband is about to start the scooty. ಈಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And the girl there, she is giving instruction now. Yes, he is now ready to start. See Ira's face. See the Ira's face. She is very happy. ಅವಳು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬೀನ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಳು ಸ್ಕೂಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಹರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಟ್ಲಿ, ತುಂಬ ಟೈಟಾಗಿ ಹಿಡ್ದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ more conscious about her safety. Yes, now he is taking down the scooty. I was little bit scared. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆದರಿಕಾಯಿತು because it is slant ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. Yes, he is now taking the scooty. They are very happy and they are going. Yes. Now they return back, they took a U-turn and they returned back. And my husband finally completed test drive with children and now he is parking the scooty inside test drive center. Yes, I am asking his permission to drive on street, but he is not giving me permission because it was very smooth. Okay, never mind, but I did the test drive inside the center. We completed our test drive. My little baby is bidding goodbye to her and she is giving the shake hand and high five. The lady over here, she had supported a lot and she had made us understand how to do test drive and everything. Thank you very much. And yes, now we're bidding bye to her. Now we are moving towards Reliance Mart. Now we are going towards Reliance Mart to purchase some groceries. Come, let's go inside the supermarket and purchase some groceries for my home and learn some grocery and supermarket vocabulary along with the travel vocabulary. Are you ready? Yes, come. I made my 2 little kittens to sit in the trolley, that is the shopping trolley, okay? So that it will be comfortable for them and as well as me to take them inside the supermarket. Otherwise they will pull out all the things inside the rack, outside the rack, and they pull down everything and they will made it fall. So that's why I made sure our trolley alle kutkondirli and let me take them and they also enjoy the trolley ride and I enjoy my shopping of groceries. Yes, come, let's go. Children are very fond of chocolates, biscuits, wafers, so I am just pulling out all type of biscuits like hide and seek and cake and 50-50 and then some other type of biscuits. I am not concentrating on anything other than biscuits. ನಾನು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಮೇಲೇನೂ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ because those prices are very less there in supermarket. ಅದರ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಗಳು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ. Now I am taking a Maggi packet that is also on discount. ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಪುಲ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಸಾಸ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಸಾಸ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡೆ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಪೌಡರ್? He told yes, okay. Then I took that also. And then I'm moving towards the frozen section. ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಫ್ರಿಜ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ಐ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಅಲರ್ಜಿಕ್ ಟು ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. ನಾವು ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. Yes, let us check what type of vegetables are there, just for the excitement. Okay. Bottle gourd. This is wheat gourd. This is snake gourd. This is cucumber. This is tomato. This is tomato. This is drumstick. This is capsicum. This is green chili. Lemon. Where is lemon? This is yam. Where is yam? What is that? Cucumber madras. It is onion. It is coconut. So this is brinjal. These are green peas. We take one chips packet. You want one chips packet? Chips. Stop.
in myself, but you know, so he the job at timer. I mean, I have to get it into the getting it.
Take one chips packet. Oh, so many chips packet. Yes. We go out of the section. Okay, now my shopping is almost complete. I had taken all the groceries, not exactly everything, because I used to take purchase all the groceries in the normal shops, not in supermarket. So I whichever had discounts on cost that I read. Now I'm taking the Vim box also because it is not usually available in my place. Okay, now I'm taking them for mehendi also because my hairs have grown white. That's why. Yes, this mehendi is very good. I heard non saving, but I didn't apply it. Yes, now I am moving. I checked later, and my husband is holding Lysol. He's telling me take this also because we have 2 kids in our home. I told okay, and we have taken everything. Now it's done. Yes, I am tired little bit. I thought if anything left, I am checking it out. I love supermarket. See, everything is available, but you must have some money to purchase everything, right? Yes. Now I am moving towards checkout. I think I had done with everything. I had purchased everything. Yes. Now I am going. I think of yes, everything I purchased. Okay, we finished all shopping. Right now, this is the billing section, and she is just scanning the prices of the items. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಐಟಮಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇ ಥ್ರೂ ಫೋನ್ಪೇ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇ ಥ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಪೇ ದ ಬಿಲ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಫೋನ್ಪೇ. ಥ್ರೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ. ಎಸ್, I thought to keep that hide and seek biscuit packet back because I had taken a big packet of hide and seek. Yes, now I think I almost completed my shopping and my husband is seeing the bill and he is thinking that OMG, I purchased a lot because he always do this to me. And yes, I think almost 2000 material I purchased. See, she's carefully scanning each and everything. Now payment is done almost. Now we are going out. So now we are going out. Yes, we are almost done. Is it now? Correct. Honest? So you work with that? Support. Yes. Over there. Cool. It's hardware. Is it everything? So we are moving back. Okay. Come. It's very hot here. Very hot. ತುಂಬ ಹಾಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಥರ ಅಬೆ ಜಲ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಟೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. See, she is drinking water. Closing the cap. Close properly. Close mother. Close it properly. Okay guys, now we are moving towards our home. Now I am tired, sustagta ide. Okay, and also it's very hot outside. Tumba hot ide ಹೊರಗಡೆ. So let's go to our home. Okay, are you sleeping Ira? You're sleeping? It's my bed. Sleep. I'm tapping them. Now I am enjoying the cool breeze from outside. It ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಕಾರ್. ಅಂದರೆ ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋ ಗಾಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎಂಜಾಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಕಿಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಐ ನೌ ಫೈನಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ Ahan. We are taking 2 packets of what? 2 packets of milk. Okay? Because there was no milk inside the home. That's why we had taken the milk and now we are again moving towards our home. Okay? Finally, we did our tour. Our ride. Ethan. Okay. That is, the scooty name is Ethan and we had completed our journey to Kolar and back to home. Okay. So I hope this vlog helped you. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಈ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಒಂದು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ, ಜರ್ನಿ ವ್ಲಾಗ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಆ ವೆಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಲರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಾಯ್. ಫೈನಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? Now we are going to reach finally home. Now I am going to take rest, but you don't forget to subscribe.